Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing prerequisites and immediately getting a location fix. Enable GPS and set high accuracy mode. Once done, wait for satellites to lock and observe the number of satellites and H-stop. Make sure to load the correct map and datum so coordinates match mapping software later. While waiting, note site ID and mission time to link observations. This quick sequence gets you from setup to the first stable fix without wasting field time, and it prevents data mismatches later. Once you have a stable fix, collect points using consistent technique to ensure accuracy. Aim for 10 to 60 seconds averaging per point, or use stop and go with a stable antenna height. This reduces random error. Make sure to log satellite count, PDOP or HDOP, antenna height, and coordinate system for each record so you can validate later. If a reading looks off, resurvey immediately and compare against nearby control or expected features to confirm the measurement before moving on. To finish, finalize records and export them with full metadata and the correct projection. Make sure to apply any post-processing or RTK corrections available to improve absolute accuracy. Once processed, verify coordinates against control points. If you encounter inconsistent points, inspect the antenna connection, verify clear sky view, and confirm device settings and datum. Then redo the fix. One key troubleshooting tip. If fixes bounce or PDOP is high, move to an open area, restart location services, and take a fresh averaged reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.